Well, good morning. It's about 6 a.m. Sun's just starting to come up now. Putting in on Gananoque River today. A little further up than normal. Trying a new spot. And oh, look at that. Something hit the water right there. Maybe I'll throw some in right here. But yeah. Main goal, gonna get some river smallies once again today. There we go. He's pulling. Oh, shit. That must have been a nice little smallie. Looked like it anyway. He shook it. These swans have adopted a goose. I did not hook that very well. That's a little smallie. Hyper little guys. Alrighty. That's what we're after, but hopefully much bigger. Off he goes. There's a bite. There's a fish. Little smallies. Even the little ones, they like to get their air. Number 2. Well, so far, coming up here, the target species looking pretty good. Holy shit! Is that a freaking carp? I think that was a freaking carp. Oh my god, I seen the giant back sticking out of the water. Quite the munch he made there. He missed it on the first one. I was about to lift that out of the water. Oh, there we go. One under the bridge. Oh, he might be pretty good. Oh yeah, that's a smallie, all right. Come on. Oh. Gotcha. Oh, he's got to throw a worm under the bridge. Nice little smallie. Not bad. Alright, buddy. Off you go. Sweet. Hopefully there's more where that came from. Oh. Why do I feel like that was a pike? Oh, there we go. A little bugger picking away at it. Oh, that's got some weight. That's a pike, I think. Yeah, that's a pike. Head in the net. Yeah. Chill. Relax. Oh, you rolled over. Now my hook's on the other side. All right, buddy. Little pike. Off he goes. That was on the wacky worm too. Now that he's slimed up my net like freaking crazy. Yeah, he mucked up my line a bit. I'm gonna have to retie that. Oh yeah. Hey-o. That's actually a little largy. First largy of the day. Pretty good little strike you had there, bud. Alright. Off it goes. Come on, there we go. Oh. A lot of excitement for a very little bass. Been a while since I pulled one in, so little tiny bass. Oh shit. We got the bridge patrol over here. I'm gonna have to pay a toll. Morning, gents. Yeah? Oh, there we go. That's another pike, isn't it? Yep. Another slimer. You're gonna fucking tangle yourself right up, aren't you? Alright. He slipped right out of my fingers. Another little pike. I think he was slightly bigger than the last one, but not by much. We're pretty close to where I put in. Right over there. Probably fish for another 20 minutes or so, and then I'll head off. I feel like with this rocky shoreline here, it's probably loaded with smallies. I did catch a couple on this shoreline earlier. Oh, hello. Just a little smallmouth. Maybe not too little. Not too little at all, actually. That's what we've been looking for. I just had to come back to where I started. Oh my god, he's doing laps. Alright, I don't want him to shake it. Let's try and get him up into the net. Oh, there we are. Buddy. Unfortunately, we haven't caught any smallies on topwater today. You eat my worm, mister? Or just shake it somewhere along the way? That's a nice fish. Nice. Alright. Think that'll make a good thumbnail? If you guys are here, it means you clicked it. Off he goes. Well, thanks for coming along. I think I'm going to call it there and head off. Pretty fun day out. Unfortunately, the topwater bite wasn't all that great. And most of the topwater hits we got, they were missing it, so. not a bad day. Thanks for coming along. I hope to see you guys in the next one.